Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate cultural exposure with Rosetta Stone step by step clearly. To automate cultural exposure with Rosetta Stone, start by accessing the Rosetta Stone platform. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Languages section. Select the language you want to learn. Scroll down to find the Cultural Insights feature. Click on it to explore cultural content relevant to your language. Set a schedule for daily cultural exposure sessions. Determine how much time you can allocate each day. Adjust the notification settings to remind you before each session. Choose specific topics that interest you within the cultural content. Bookmark your favorite articles or videos for easy access. Utilize the speech recognition feature to practice pronunciation with cultural phrases. Incorporate local music and podcasts into your routine. Find suggested playlists on the platform or external sites. Join community forums or groups focused on your target language. Participate in discussions to enhance your cultural understanding. Make it a habit to review new words and phrases related to cultural references. Track your progress in cultural exposure in your study log. Use flashcards to reinforce vocabulary connected to cultural topics. Set realistic goals for your cultural immersion over time. Regularly evaluate your understanding of cultural nuances and expressions. This method will help you integrate cultural exposure smoothly into your language learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.